Electronic wallets are convenient and easy to use, but you've probably faced the difficulties associated with depositing and withdrawing cash from your e-wallet. High commission for depositing, and as a rule, there's no possibility of withdrawing cash. We have solved this problem together with our partners and payment agents. The daily growing network of stores connected to the blockchain infrastructure for digital banking CryptoEnter offers its users a unique opportunity to quickly convert any kind of electronic money into cash and back. To top off your e-wallet with cash or withdraw cash, including cryptocurrency, you just need to apply to the cash desk of numerous retail outlets authorized by CryptoEnter or use an automated terminal, ATM. The user only needs to scan a QR code from a payment agent's terminal or phone, and to sign a request for cash deposit or withdrawal with a private key. The user gets access to safe and unique functional service implemented in CryptoEnter. To access it anywhere in the world, it's enough to have 2 smartphones with internet access. With CryptoEnter, you get full access to the main financial instruments, not only through your personal devices, but also through our worldwide network of authorized payment agents and terminals, even in the most hard-to-reach places.